What's up, guys? It's another Saturday, so I just gotta go out and start the car, pack up all the gear, and then we'll be on our way.
What up, no? Ta-da! We're here, we're back at Jamie's. We got some seats to put in, my little Sparko seats I brought them, and we're putting on this cool Rocket Bunny style wing. Now usually we start with the harder stuff and get the seats in first because it's going to require some chopping, some drilling, and some welding. But this time we're going to go ahead and start with the easy stuff, the wing, because we're still waiting on a phone call about some brackets that could potentially help us put the Sparko seats in. So let's get today started.
They're all gonna be bigger. Cause it's gonna like someone's gonna like drop this ratchet on your bumper with the tools. What am I doing?
What are you doing?
We're putting my ducktail on. So we're gonna drill some holes and rivet some holes in my 240. Now I'm just gonna try and plug these holes from the original spoiler to cover them under the other one.
Just don't overdo it.
Yeah, that's the thing. These are easy to dive extra. Not even pushing. I'm just gonna need one more. Scared of going too deep first. This one. I mean, this is actually a smart design. It's helping.
Oh, you gotta watch when it goes down and it really drops.
Yeah. I'm making holes in my car. Hold on. Yeah, I have an idea. Maybe this will. Hey, with the Euro in here. Well, good luck getting that out now. It's not gonna even leak anything, water.
Oh, that's for sure.
Oh, little lesson since I always learn after I start. I could have tried to remember which depth I went to when I did this one to match it. No, I gotta do it again. I'm pretty sure it's the 1, 2, 3, 4th one. But, oh well. No,
Next time when you find it, put a piece, put tape on it and say know which one it is.
Thinking about the trick after. 1, 2. We're gonna make 3. You know what? Let me pop the trunk because it feels weird. I don't want to be drilling into bad things right now. She's tight.
Plug in holes.
Oh,
too deep.
Guess it's the 5th one. What's up, dude? Sean, I'm drilling holes in my 240s.
Well, I'm watching Jamie plug holes.
Wow. You see, now it's too big though.
He just went
It's too big.
He went too deep.
I did. Oh no, it's perfect. What am I saying? It's perfect.
Yeah, you sure?
No, it is.
Ask her how she feels. You should take her up for breakfast.
Yeah, I know she's feeling very neglected, so I'll get onto that.
It is a 240, right? There will always be water in the trunk.
No,
I'm serious. I saw a meme on the internet of that. Yeah, I'll tail it.
Okay, that's huge.
Yeah, it dove on me. That's fine. It's fine.
Look at that.
Actually, it was pretty good.
So it is. The 5th one is pretty. That one was. I got it in, but it was way too small. Way too tight. When you're drilling holes in your car, it's
the best feeling.
Yeah.
I think I can watch this.
Drilling holes?
It's too scary. Yeah, it was.
I mean, there's no I mean, I don't even know if it's worth putting tape because you have to hold it on so tight. That's to make a reference point for center. Are you flush?
No. Are you that flush? That's like.
Now you have like a hair showing of the metal in. Yo, Sean?
No.
Is there a marker on the counter or a marker somewhere around there? Sharpie? No? Oh, excuse me. We're getting somewhere. Yo, Sean? Sean, can I borrow you?
Alright, Jonas, what?
Can I borrow you for a second? Okay, so you're gonna have to like push it on like that. It's gonna be pretty much like, so you're good like that, that's pretty much how it should be.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, don't.
Stick it in there.
Alright.
Fucking cross your fingers. One shot deal, baby.
I'm drilling holes in my car again. Ah, I drilled a hole. Can we slap one in right away?
Yeah,
Oh, it needs to go through the metal too, eh? All the way?
Yeah, that's in.
So that's gonna...
we should put the first one on now.
Okay,
My arm's fucking falling off.
So just squeeze really hard?
Yeah. Really body scratch the trunk though.
Where?
With the gun.
Okay.
I don't give a fuck. Do one at a time, from the center.
Yeah, like do the bottom
Because if
one.
you do this and then this starts pushing, it's going to give you the...
Okay, so we
Oh
use
yeah,
the
that's true. It's gonna buckle
Yeah.
out and it's gonna wave. Yeah.
I mean, they're not as big as a head.
Danny, can I make a suggestion, bro? Grab a piece of tape, put it right across here. So you, yeah, scratching that shit up big time.
Oh, Luke,
Make sure it doesn't go under, otherwise we're gonna fucking rivet the piece of tape underneath the car. Jamie, don't do it for you, do it for me. It's hard to watch you scratch. It's your car TV, but we've already
It's getting emotional.
makes me want to fucking rivet something now.
Everybody just get over fenders. That's wide body everything. Sean, let's rivet that scoop on your truck. Everybody, let's hold hands. Oh!
Oh, be careful. Oh, hey! Oh, it's on the wrong way.
Oh, it's upside down, guys. Oh no. Yeah.
You have one too?
Yeah, but not this big. Yours is a little bigger.
That's what she said.
Nice. Nice.
Just trying to help envision that a little bit.
Nice. Nice. Down force.
So, feel good? Got that part done?
Yeah. I always wanted that wing. It's just
Were you scared?
not really, but it's just.
You just drilled 18 holes in your car.
I know, but as soon as we put the first one, I was like, okay, here we go. Alright.
Commit.
Oh yeah.
You gotta do the things that scare you the most.
Thrilled. Love it. Like there's tape that I need to clean off, but like now if you look, that scratch was there from the install. It actually clears pretty even, so now I could just hand sand the edges a little bit, clean it up. And then I'm just gonna compare the gap here with the other side. I mean, I could have taken hours of sanding and trying to make this thing like picture perfect. But it's not even gonna be noticeable. I'm just gonna probably hit it with a bead of silicone top and bottom here, like you said. Sweet. Yeah, I'm done with it.
We got the wing on, I'm working on the seats. Gonna have to make a template because we can't really finish off what needs to be done here. Can't see nothing. I don't know, it's gonna be boring to watch me do this. So I'll let these guys play with the camera. Hey, you guys want, if you guys want a camera to mess around with on the screen recording.
Okay. No, that never started. When it's red like that, does that mean it's already recording? Oh, so it was recording before. My bad. Alright, so I got my piping finished here. Hold the camera.
Yeah, that way you can...
Here. So since this is all done and I'm finished all my piping, I'm gonna put a gasket on my blow-off valve, so that's everything. I'm gonna fix off everything that has anything that has a chance of being air leaks and boost problems. So I got a roll of paper gasket and I'm just gonna take this off, trace it off, and make myself a little gasket. There. Let me grab my beer while I'm at it. Sweet. I've never even seen this blow off valve yet. The guy from the shop made it to fit. Never took it off to look inside. A part like this, metal to metal, I'm sure it's gonna be sealed better with a gasket, so might as well go the extra step, make sure there's no issues with boosts, so little preventative things.
Are you using the blow-off valve or the flat part as the template?
No, I'm gonna use the blow-off valve. Oh, this thing's hard to cut. That was my super precise tracing. Actually, yo, Tim, can I use that other knife? If you're not using it, this one's not sharp at all. Fair point. If you're gonna redo a gasket, you might as well take the time to actually remove the old gasket before putting on a new one. Going to that step to make a better seal than you're sealing it on.
Even if it doesn't look like there's much there, there's a lot more than you think.
I think that should do it. Now,
Do you want scissors?
to cut myself, you know what? I think scissors would
I
be...
think I saw scissors on the table over there.
Because that would make an easier job. Might as well grab some stuff. I have them. They're nice and sharp. Those will do the job.
Oh, wait. Put your bolt hole.
I'm gonna have to custom the pencil. Since it's a construction pencil. That'll work. Yeah. Sweet. And I'll try and cut my finger while I'm doing it too.
Pro tip.
Pro tip, cut towards yourself. Is the camera on a camera?
Filming the camera guy, filming the guy doing the work.
Yeah.
I know.
It's weird though, but it feels like I should cut a hole in the middle of the... It's always smart to write steps down because as learning process school it is, but it's... Oh, my bad. It's always smart to just write yourself some steps because once you write steps, you follow the right procedure, you remember which way things goes down, write things down.
It always helps when you swear a bit.
Just a tad.
Just a tad.
Once you have a bad habit, it sticks. Alright, so this should be airtight. The 240SX standards to 3 Ooga Doogas on the Allen key. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I've created a seal. I bought this moose hat, she bought this little panda hat. It was kind of cute, she sent me some sexy pictures, so I was like, ah, we're gonna have some fun with it. I decided to send a sexy picture back. So I put the fucking hat on, butt ass me, I go out in the hallway and I take a picture. Me in this moose hat, butt fucking naked, cowboy boots. So the next morning at about 5 o'clock in the morning, I'm on my way to work, and I had a BlackBerry. Press the center button on the BlackBerry, if any of you remember this. It goes into the last thing, the last person who texted, last, and it was right next to Christmas, so I go, Merry Christmas, bud. Then he sent it to everybody else, and they just started calling me Moosecock, so I just adopted the moose.
Yeah. It just stayed. All right, so we did what we did. We got done what we could, and I guess it's kind of closing it up.
So, well, tomorrow I'm probably going to spend some more time on this, and if there anything else we can test now, it's going to be a rush at the end. I'm off work for a few weeks, so get the harness back. Once we start plugging things back in, it's going to be wiring up the battery, finalizing everything else, finish up the seats, put the tires back on, and hopefully this car's going to be on its wheels soon. It's been a long process, but I'm hopefully seeing a finish soon, because all the main things have been pretty much out of the way. Maybe get a nice tune, turn it up, party.
So that's it for now. We're just going to enjoy the rest of the day. We're going to kick it. We're going to chill. We're going to do what we do. Saturdays are for the boys. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time. Stay happy.
Nothing tastes better than paint and beer.
Some burning gas and burning tires.
Ooh, that's pretty good too.